Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily set live photo like a wallpaper on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to your photos. So in the photos you need to choose live photos. So just tap here and just choose a photo you want to add like a live photo on your wallpaper. So just choose it, and now you need to press on this button, so just press on it. And after, just choose from these options. You need to find here, just scroll down to use a wallpaper, so just tap on it. And now you just need to choose how it will look like. Just tap on set for lock screen. And now when we lock our phone, so just tap on it and you can see that it's also live photo. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.